Here's a quick setup view of the spool valve cannon with the 72-inch caliber 812 breech loading barrel on it. Spool valve cannon, caliber 812 72-inch barrel, hard alloy lead slug, 1100 grain, 300 psi. That looks like we hit it. Spool valve cannon. This time we've switched to the 750 caliber barrel. The ammunition is going to be 3 ferrite magnets, 3/4 inch by 1/4 inch, stacked on each other. 300 psi. Spool valve cannon, caliber 750 barrel, 3 ferrite magnets, 3/4 inch by 1/4, 300 psi. This is the spool valve cannon with a 2-inch short barrel mounted on it, loaded with a dead compact fluorescent bulb. Spool valve cannon, 2-inch barrel, loaded with a dead compact fluorescent light bulb as the ammo. 300 psi to fire. I only had 2 dead compact fluorescent bulbs today, and I think the first one I fired at that printer blew up in the barrel. So I'm going to use this handheld piston valve cannon with the 2-inch barrel on it to fire my one remaining CFL into that printer at 300 psi from point blank range. This time I'm using the handheld piston valve cannon with the 2-inch barrel because I only have one more dead compact fluorescent bulb, so I'm going to walk over and shoot this thing at point blank range to make sure the bulb does hit it. Okay, ready to fire the compact fluorescent bulb, 300 psi. I hit it that time. Well, the base of the CFL survived, so I think I'll load it up in some toilet paper wadding and shoot it at this printer again. Well, this will be the base of the compact fluorescent bulb fired by the portable piston valve cannon out of the short 2-inch barrel. And we have 300 psi. And I'm here with the cannon, and fire. Well, here's the setup for the 1-inch ball valve cannon. It has the 25mm 96-inch long barrel mounted on it. Now I've switched to the 1-inch ball valve cannon, 25mm 96-inch long barrel with a wax and aluminum filings slug, 300 psi. One-inch ball valve cannon, 25mm 96-inch barrel, loaded with a shot charge of 1/4-inch steel balls, 300 psi. One-inch ball valve cannon, 25mm 96-inch barrel, wax and rock salt slug, fired at 350 psi. One-inch ball valve cannon, 25mm 96-inch barrel, this time loaded with a slug made from wax and beach sand, firing at 350 psi. This 25mm wax slug is made from hardware recovered from disassembling a microwave oven. 1-inch ball valve cannon, 25mm barrel, 96 inches long, firing at 300 psi. The slug is miscellaneous microwave oven screws and hardware in wax. Well, it looks like the high-speed microwave oven hardware may have done something here today. One-inch ball valve cannon, but I've switched to the caliber 565 72-inch barrel and lead slugs, firing at 300 psi. Continuing with the 1-inch ball valve cannon and caliber 565 72-inch barrel. last shot of this printer is going to be point blank range. The handheld piston valve cannon, 300 psi, 25mm, 60-inch barrel, loaded with 1/4-inch steel balls. Here goes.